This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
Christian, we are here at the K&M Conference and Trade Show 2025 in beautiful Columbus, Ohio.
That's right, and as you can see, there's a ton of people here, and we're excited to sort of talk to some of our friends in the industry, sort of see what people are excited about at this year's conference.
So there is a lot to be excited about here.
Absolutely.
Let's go find out. Let's hit the floor.
Let's go. We're here at the Continental Tire booth, and I'm here with Jessica Atkinson. Jessica, thank you for joining me. What is Continental Tire excited to show off this year at the show?
I'm really excited to show off our industry-leading warranty for the Total Confidence Plan on all of our Continental replacement tires, and to show off our tires here that we have new, some just loyal to our product portfolio, and just show the customers what we've got to offer, especially to our gold dealers who are on our gold program.
Absolutely. And why do you love the K&M Tire Dealer Conference and Trade Show?
Oh, that's easy. I love this conference. I have actually come to 5 conferences in my 10 years at Conti. It's just nice to be able to catch up with your customers and talk about how the year went, talk about what they're excited for this coming year, and just to kind of laugh and go over some old good times from past conferences and just, catch up and say hello to people that you don't get to see all the time.
Absolutely. Jessica, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Daryl, great to see you. What'd you bring to the show?
Well, we brought a bunch of new products. We got like 5 new products, but we could only fit 8 tires into the per show today. So we got our products back here that are from our regional products, regional line haul, our line haul trailer tire, which is very, very popular with our OE fitments through Stoughton trailers and Hyundai, to our new car hauler tire. We got a car hauler tire, which is one of 3 in the industry, to our OE fitments here. We've got our OE tires, the 19.5, DH35, and AH35 coming on your Daimler Chrysler 5500s, 4500s.
Fantastic. So we're here at the K&M Trade Show.
Sure.
What do you love about this show?
Well, for starters, I love K&M as a whole. They are a very well put together group. They put on a phenomenal show. They do a great job. They're fair to everyone. They give us great positions in there, and they let us play games.
Yeah. Can't beat that.
They're just a very, very, very good partner. We love dealing with them.
Thanks for your time.
Hey, thank you, buddy.
We are in the Nexen Tire booth, and I'm here with Tyler Haller. Tyler, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
We've got 2 questions if you're ready.
Absolutely.
All right, first question. What is Nexen excited to show off at this year's show?
We are excited to show off our brand new tire, which is going to be our In Blue 4 Seasons 2. It's an all-weather tire at 70,000 mile tread wear. We're really, really excited for it. The feedback has been fantastic, so we're excited to kick it off as well this year.
And why does Nexen love the K&M Tire Dealer Conference and Trade Show?
This trade show is arguably probably the best one that I go to, from the prize giveaways, all their added value that they give all their customers and patrons here, as well as just the amount of vendors. It's always great to just see your folks from other manufacturers that, are in the same industry that you're in as well.
Sure, absolutely, Tyler. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jim, what'd you bring to the show today?
Today we have our full lineup, our 6 treads that are really the key to our lineup. We work on simplified product solutions, easier stocking, easier selling.
Fantastic. And what do you love about the K&M Trade Show?
And I've been coming to this trade show for a lot of years. It's like a reunion every time we come, right? I was in wholesale prior to this, so a lot of customers that I've known since early on in my career, all the way through now. The people here are just phenomenal.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, Jim.
Thank you.
Christian, I love this show. What did you learn?
I also love it, David. I learned how excited all of our friends are to show off their new products, and also they just love the K&M Tire show, man. I mean, they just love being here, seeing all of their friends, seeing other manufacturers, and it's just a great time. I love being here.
You could tell everyone knows everyone here. Seriously.
Yeah, it's like a small bus. Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, Christian, this was great. Thanks for coming to the show.
Of course, thank you.
I will catch you all next time. Take care.
See you later.